Hey, the content used in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. All rights to the images, music, clips, and other materials used belong to their respective owners. I do not claim ownership over any third-party content used in this video. Let's get to the video, dog.
Hey, I'm Trooper Henderson, State Police, man. The reason I stopped you weren't wearing your seatbelt, okay?
Yes,
you got your ID with you? You doing all right today?
Yes,
What's up with the gloves, man?
I'm a barber.
Barber, okay. Oh, okay. Get your ID first, and then
I don't have my ID.
Okay. Is this your car?
That's my brother's name.
Okay, what's your name? Hold on one second.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna let you write it down for me. Jonesboro 1037. TV out. I will shoot you. I'm 2-4. I'm waiting on somebody else to go 15. Get down!
Hello! Man.
I need to cross.
Don't you fucking move.
Hey yo, baby D, get your little ass over here on the mic, man. Show these other little niggas they can't fuck with the dangerous crew, man. Spit that shit.
Shit on gold chain, gold glasses, prime time like Dion.
Hey, can't do the Quan, do the Dion. You hear me?
He don't speak on me, I don't compete with a peon. Flying a bundle like my name was Dion.
Well, my good friends, we're back here again for another episode of why it's easier to just get a damn job. In this case here, man, we got some brother out of Little Rock, Arkansas, pulled over for a freaking non-seatbelt and decides to take off on the state trooper in a cobalt. Wrecks out, starts crying. I'd imagine he regrets it all. When you could have just went and got a job. Even McDonald's is gonna be better than where you going. Making $5 a week or some shit. You could have at least made $200 working at McDonald's. They done bumped the price up to minimum wage at McDonald's. So I mean, you could have at least done that, man. That's why we made this series, bro. It's easier to just get a job, bro. You don't like working for nobody, the money too slow. The money even slower when you go to prison, bro. You might as well stay out here. At least you can move around and be free, make you $200 a week working a fast food restaurant. But anyway, let's get into this video, man.
If you haven't already, will you email your citation warrant to Liable PD, please?
It's 10-4. Give me an email address. Send it to me 88 and I'll get to them.
10-4.
34 Jonesboro 24.
34.
Be at Main and second. 111 Victor Mary Tom. 111 VMT blue Chevy Cobalt.
Yeah.
What's going on, man? You doing all right? Hey, I'm Trooper Henderson, State Police, man. The reason I stopped you weren't wearing your seatbelt, okay?
Yes, sir.
You got your ID with you? You doing all right today?
Yes, sir.
What's up with the gloves, man?
I'm a barber.
Barber, okay. Oh, okay. Get your ID first, and then
I don't have my ID.
Okay.
Now what are we doing, bro? Like, come on, bro. Like, you out here moving around, moving and grooving, on the illegal tip, and you ain't even got the bare minimum that you need to have to be legal, bro. You ain't got no license, bro. You ain't got no ID. Why you out here moving around, bro? What do we talk about probable cause, man? Weed smell in the car, no insurance, no license, tag out, bunch of heads in the car, no seatbelt, open containers. Any of these things, man, can extend the traffic stop and get you pulled over and get a search warrant on your vehicle. K9 ran around the car. Come on, man. This man out here moving around with dope on him, man, and ain't got no seatbelt on for one, and he ain't got no license, bro. Come on, man. I feel like we talking about the same thing at this point. I mean, anybody watching out there, man?
Is this your car? Okay, what's your name? Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna let you write it down for me. Write your name and date of birth right there, man. Okay. All right, man. Javon Harris. Okay. I'll be right back with you, all right?
Uh-oh, here you go. He just said, fuck it. Here we go. Here we go.
$34 Jonesboro, 1037.
34.
Going through a bank parking lot right here at North 2nd.
North 2nd.
First and Sycamore.
God damn, Junebug holding that motherfucker, ain't it, boy? He holding that bitch in the road. Let's go, Junebug. Let's go, baby.
Cherry Street.
Cherry Street.
Oh, Lord, they got us. They got us. Come on. Oh, Lord. Junebug,
TV out.
TV on 207.
Don't shoot me, son.
I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I'm gonna shoot you right now. I'm gonna shoot you. Get on the ground.
Please, look.
Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
Lord, please,
Put your hands behind you.
Okay.
Get on the ground.
Okay.
Chest on the ground. Chest on the ground.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me, son.
Cherry.
Bro, don't start all that damn crime, bro. No, don't do that. No, man. No, don't do that crime, bro. You gotta hold up, bro. Oh, Lord, just don't shoot me. Oh, Lord, no. Man, don't do that shit, man. Come on, man. Keep this shit P, man. Come on, man.
Please, son.
I got him on the ground. He's face down. I got him at gunpoint.
Look, this one. It's not. So,
Get on the ground. I will shoot you. I'm 10-4. I'm waiting on somebody else to go 15. Get down.
hello. Please.
Junebug, stay down. Oh, my Lord, Junebug.
Don't you fucking move. You hear me? Don't move. Let go. Turn over and shut up.
We're 10-4. Put the gun.
Put your hand behind your
Put my
back.
gun in here.
Put your hand behind your back.
My hand.
Put your hand behind your back. You're fine.
Put your hands behind your back.
Shut up. Shut up. Put your hand behind your back.
OG, help me. Help me, please, OG. OG. Please,
We're
OG.
10-4.
Stand up.
OG.
Roll over.
OG.
Roll over.
Help me, OG.
Sit tight.
OG, man.
threw what? Where'd he throw it up?
A couple blocks west. He didn't throw nothing.
Still got it.
Huh? Is your name really Javon Harris? Hop up for me, buddy.
Come on.
Come on, man.
Jeez, man.
Let's go. I'm going to my car.
3097.
Yeah.
Right here.
Get here. Give it.
Stupid, man. What was stupid, man? Yeah.
Was that his bag?
Shit. Now I'm fucking going. His hands wide open.
Hold that. Hold through it.
Bunch of marijuana bags going.
I should have taken that stop. I knew I should have taken it.
Adderall, cocaine.
Good, good, good.
And that there, my friends, is the story of how good old Junebug went on down for them years, man. Started off as a regular little routine stop. Junebug didn't have his seatbelt on. Junebug was rolling around, serving in a Chevy Cobalt. And never expected his day was gonna turn out like this, man. But this is the price we pay when we live a life of crime, bro. And we don't take the precautionary measures to avoid the traffic stop initially anyway. Never forget, man, the probable causes, man. Weed in the car. Smoking weed in the car. No license. Tag being out. No seatbelt. Insurance out. Make sure all your lights on your car work. Just standard things, man, that you can do to avoid situations like this and extended traffic stops, man. We're going to make a series out of this, man. We're just going to start going over traffic stops where people mess up on their own, bro, and can avoid all this stuff. All right, man, we'll see y'all on the next one, bro. God damn, Junebug.